I'm coming from Koh Phi Phi, Thailand. Maybe familiar to some people who've seen the movie The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio from years ago. Maya Bay, which is where they filmed it, is not too far, probably about a 20-minute boat ride right out the bay back here that you can see. But I've been away for a couple weeks, was able to buy 4 assets while we were gone. We got them all boarded. We actually did about $180,000 worth of acquisitions while I was at the beach, traveling around Thailand, having fun. Found a couple gaps in the systems, which was great. You know, every time I travel and I get out here, I learn a little bit more about what I can do to improve. Makes my business a little better, makes the returns for my investors a little bit better, and then also makes it that much easier when I decide I want to leave next time and get away to a beach that looks like this. And for pennies on the dollar compared to what we spend back home. I was in a villa in the garden here at the Ibiza house where I was staying. It's considered an expensive spend out at about $75 US a night, but actually absolutely amazing. They serve you breakfast every day, and it's just been a great experience. It's always nice to get away, spending less money than you'd spend back home to live in paradise. So any questions, feel free, leave a comment on the video. We'd love to hear from you. But just another shout out, just saying, hey guys, you can do this from anywhere in the world if you take the time to put the systems together, focus on your business, write down your goals, plan for it, and get it done. Talk to you soon. Take care.